Pick up, tilt forward. All right, so the reason why I tell him to do that is because if you guys look at the elbows, oh look, there's a frog. If you look at the elbows on the fork, you don't want to drag the elbows. So had this been someone's lawn, nope, back out straight until you're completely out. Straighten your wheel, straighten your wheel. There you go. Back out straight until you're completely out, or pull your forks back to make the distance shorter that you gotta back out. There you go. Yep, pull your forks back. All right, let's go get that big load because we still got other stuff we gotta do. You want us to grab that and bring it over for you? Yeah. Hey, Peterson. Peterson. We're gonna grab that pallet and we're gonna move it over there for him. So it's not really our job to do that, but he needs to practice, and I know we're running short on time, but we're just gonna do a good deed. So nice. Watch. Watch, watch. You're getting kind of close. You should always hug the material because you could turn into it. Yep, there you go. Tilt forward. There you go. Tilt forward. Extend your forks. Give it some gas. There you go. Side shift. Side shift to your right. Nope, just side shift. Fourth lever. There you go. Tilt forward. There you go. Pick up. Pick up. There you go. Side shift left. There you go. There you go, driving straight. You're oversteering. You're oversteering. Just going straight. There you go. Perfect. All right, tilt back. All right, let's get it to the other side for him. You're oversteering. Nope, you never want it. If you go that way, you're gonna end up swinging downhill. So just back out. Remember, second lever back. Do it while you're moving. Do it while you're moving. Second lever back. Pull it back. Second lever. Nope. Second lever. All the way back. There you go. Now back up. There you go. Yep. And it. Yep. You got it. All right. Wait. You're getting way too close. You're gonna hit. Stop. Come forward. Come forward. Come forward. Come forward. Come forward. That's why I'm telling you, just back out straight. Hold on. Wait, stop. No, nope. Just come forward. Come forward. Just come. Stop turning your wheel. Just go straight. You got it. Yep. You got it. You got it. You're good. You're good. All right. Now turn that way. There you go. That's it right there. Back up. Back up. Yep. There you go. Yep. Nope. Stop. You're oversteering. You're going back that way. There you go. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Yep. Now start right there. Straight. Yep. There you go. I think you think the machine only got two directions, left and right. Peterson doesn't believe in going straight. Here you go. You got it, man. There's a pile of them right around the side. Start turning, nice and easy. Yeah, there you go. Yep. Extend your forks. Nope, stop, stop, stop. See, you're turning too much. Extend your forks. Perfect. Yep, tilt forward. Bring it down some. There you go, drive forward. Straighten your wheel, straighten your wheel. Turn your wheel, turn your wheel, turn your wheel. The other way, the other way. There you go, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Just, you're straight right there, that's good. Yep, tilt forward, pick up, and back out. Second lever back. All right, let's go get that big load. Just keep an eye on both sides. You got to be looking on both sides. Huh? You want? Damn, bro, you should have told me that while I was over here.
Oh, okay.
Oh, man. Hey, Peterson, hang on. No, I'm not even supposed to move that. I was just doing that because I saw him doing a lot of stuff.
I got more material in this side.
Uh-huh. So I'm not even supposed to do that, you understand? But once he's done grabbing that one, I'll do it for you, okay? So, un momento, when he's finito, I'll grab it and I'll put it here.
Yeah.
Está bien? Okay. Yeah. No problem. Yeah, just wait for me. Were you gonna forget me?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. All right, let's go. So basically he was saying that there's a huge pallet of shingles on the other side of the house that he was asking if we could move it over here. And I told him I'll move it once you're done grabbing that, because we're not even supposed to be touching that stuff because it's not our material. We don't really have permission. Don't you broke it? Oh, hey, watch the language. Watch the language. I'm trying to make this a kid-friendly channel, bro. Oh, dang, dude. Oh my God. It's good. Yeah, it's been like that. But if it come off, the top, it comes off, and all you gotta do is screw it. Yep. Third lever back just a little bit because your forks are pointing forward. There you go. All right, come on, let's go. Easy, easy. Hug the truck. There you go. Side shift to your right. Fourth lever down. There you go.